You are not stopped because of whether you're a male or a female. You are stopped by yourself saying, I don't know if I can. Believe in yourself, because I know you can. Hi, my name is Yvonne Wiedemann, and I am the president of CamLogic. Well, I started about 20 years ago, computer software, CAD/CAM world. What differentiates CamLogic from other VARs is the fact that we are actually a solutions provider. We are also manufacturing products. We are manufacturing end usable tools to the automotive Tier 1, Tier 2, Tier 3 industry. So to be very clear about what we do here with additive manufacturing, we are making tooling, things to help you make the end part. One of the things that our engineering team is able to do here is DFAM. That's designed for additive manufacturing. Additive fits in the tooling, in the assembly line, in the different ways to make what you're trying to make. So here we are in Detroit. It is literally the birthplace of automotive manufacturing. It is a traditional town. Being a woman in this industry is exciting, but it's also very, very difficult. I am absolutely put to the test. I don't look at it as male versus female. I believe it's who you are as a person. There are so many opportunities in manufacturing. You also don't have to go to school for 4 years in college to get all of that background. You can also go through a trade school route. You can go right into an organization and be an apprentice. You can be that person that runs a CNC router. You can be the person programming. You can be the person doing any of the jobs that are in a machine shop today. The sky is the limit. Going to IMTS is an experience for us. It's going to see our partners, going to see our customers, going to see who may be a new vendor. We don't know. We go into IMTS with an open mind, saying, what can we learn? What can we understand? What is going to bring us to the next level? Look at how this is going to bring education, information, possibly new machines, possibly a new process. For us, IMTS is not an expense, it's an opportunity. So we want to spend whatever it is that you need to get there, because what you're going to get back is tenfold. I am Yvonne Wiedemann, and you'll find me at IMTS.